Welcome to Gadget World, your go-to channel for the latest in e-readers and technology. Today, we're diving into the world of e-reading with the Kindle Paperwhite 16 GB. This latest iteration comes with a larger display, adjustable warm light, increased battery life, and faster page turns. Join us in this comprehensive review as we explore its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect e-reader for you. Let's jump into the fascinating world of Kindle Paperwhite. First things first, let's talk about the design and display of the Kindle Paperwhite. It maintains the sleek and lightweight design that Kindle is known for, making it easy to hold for extended reading sessions. The larger display enhances the immersive reading experience, bringing your favorite books to life with clarity and sharpness. One standout feature is the adjustable warm light. Whether you're reading in bright daylight or a dimly lit room, you can customize the color temperature to suit your preference. This not only reduces eye strain, but also creates a more comfortable and personalized reading environment. Kindle Paperwhite boasts increased battery life, allowing you to enjoy weeks of reading on a single charge. This is a game changer for avid readers who don't want to worry about constantly recharging their device. Dive into your favorite novels without interruptions. Experience faster page turns with the improved performance of the Kindle Paperwhite. The responsiveness of the device makes flipping through pages feel natural and seamless, enhancing the overall reading experience. Opt for the version without lock screen ads for a distraction-free reading experience. Say goodbye to interruptions and immerse yourself in the world of your favorite authors without any unwanted prompts. In conclusion, the Kindle Paperwhite 16 GB sets a new standard for e-readers with its larger display, adjustable warm light, increased battery life, and faster page turns. Whether you're a bookworm or a casual reader, this device offers a delightful reading experience. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more e-reader reviews and tech insights. Explore the Kindle Paperwhite through our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. Your support keeps us exploring the latest in digital reading technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the Kindle Paperwhite or if you're considering it for your reading adventures. Until next time, may your pages turn swiftly and your tech choices enhance your literary journeys.